Do you know that rosemary thin rinse will boost your hair growth like never before? We help to thicken up your hair, stop hair fall, hair breakage, regrow your hair in crown section, your edges, repair your hair, and boost that crazy faster hair growth. On today's video, I will show you the perfect way to prepare this rosemary thin rinse and also the best way to use it to achieve all these good benefits. So what you need to do is to watch the video to the end to get all the instruction on how to get these amazing benefits. First thing is to bring my clean jar. My first ingredient is dry rosemary leaf. If you have the fresh one, you can also make use of it, and I'll tell you the perfect way to make use of the fresh rosemary leaf to get the best result also. So I'll be scooping out 4 tablespoons of my dry rosemary leaf. Please do not use below 4 tablespoons, okay? If you really want this rosemary leaf thin rinse to do that good work, if you want it to be potent, if you want to get all the good benefits you're supposed to have on this thin rinse, please use 4 tablespoons. Unless your hair is short, you can use 2 to 3 tablespoons. And also, if your hair is longer than my hair or thicker than my hair, you can also increase it to 5 to 6 tablespoons of it, okay? It's very, very important so that you can get all the good benefits of it. You know, dry rosemary leaf is not that super potent like the fresh one. So to make it very potent and very effective, increase the measurement of the dry rosemary leaf. I hope you're understanding me. So after putting my 4 tablespoons of my dry rosemary leaf, next thing I pour in my hot water, and I make sure the hot water cover up the jar. Remember, we are doing thin rinse, okay? Thin rinse, you need to make a larger batch of it than when you are doing tea spray. I hope you are making sense. So after pouring my hot water, I use my spoon to turn it around, and next thing now I will cover this up, okay, and keep it away in a cool dark place for 48 hours. Yes, to get the best results, don't infuse this below 48 hours, and please do not boil this. If you really want this rosemary tea rinse to be very potent, to be very, very effective, do not boil it, please. Do not boil it. Suppose you are using the dry leaf, don't boil it. Infuse this for 48 hours. You can also infuse it more than 48 hours, okay? More longer you infuse it, more potent the tea spray become, okay? It's very, very necessary you allow the tea spray to stay longer so that you get the good benefit of it, okay? Do not be in a hurry in using the tea spray. Please don't boil it. I have my reason why I say you should not boil it. Do infusion method and you get the best results. After 48 hours, do you see how darker this rosemary water is? If I boil it, I believe that it will not be darker like this. Rather, I'll be losing some nutrients of this powerful tea rinse. So don't boil it, okay? Follow up with my advice and you see a great result on it. How to use this to get best results? Use it on a clean wash hair. Do not use this thin rinse on a dirty hair, please. If you want to get that best results, use it on a fresh clean hair and clean scalp, okay? Pour it all over your hair. Remember, this is thin rinse, okay? Pour it all over your hair. That's why you need to make larger bars so that it can saturate on your hair very well, okay? The way I'm doing mine now. So pour it, and make sure that this has soaked all over your hair so that you can get that best result, okay? This thin rinse will grow your hair like crazy. This thin rinse will boost that crazy hair growth within a short period of time. Using this thin rinse, say bye-bye to hair fall, hair shedding, thinning hair, hair breakage, and also slow hair growth. This thin rinse is the game changer, honestly. If you have not been trying rosemary thin rinse, guys, they are missing a lot. Please try it and you'll never regret it, okay? After pouring it all over my hair, the next thing I will do now is to massage my scalp before I move to the next step. So if you are using the fresh rosemary leaf, what you need to do to get the best result, please pay close attention to understand what I'm trying to say now. If you are using the fresh one, what you need to do after plugging it, please wash it thoroughly. After washing it, put it in a clean pot and pour your clean water on it. After pouring your water, put it on fire in a high heat for 15 minutes. After boiling it in a high heat for 15 minutes, lower your gas also in a low heat for extra 15 minutes again. After boiling it extra 15 minutes again, bring it down and cover it up. Allow it to stay for overnight. After staying for overnight, your rosemary tea rinse is ready to be used. That means total of boiling this, if you're using the fresh one, total you boil this is 30 minutes, 15 minutes for high heat, 15 minutes for low heat. I hope you're understanding me. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. After massaging my scalp, I will cover my hair with my shower cap and I'll allow it to sit on my hair for 1 hour. It can leave yours for 30 minutes, 35 minutes, 40 minutes or more than 1 hour. It depends on you, okay? But the longer you leave it, the best result you got. After leaving it for that 1 hour, the next thing you need to do now, you go and rinse it out. Do not use shampoo, just with plain water to rinse it out. I repeat, don't use shampoo, don't do any other thing, just rinse it out, okay, with a clean water, okay? And after rinsing it out, go ahead and moisturize your hair. How many times can you use this for you to get best results? Use it 3 times in a week and you get best results, okay? You did thing rinse 3 times in a week and you get best results. It will grow your hair like crazy. This is a game changer. If you're looking for a way to thicken up your hair, to stimulate hair growth, to boost your hair growth, stop hair fall, thinning hair, you need to start using this rosemary tea rinse and you will never regret it. I hope that this video is very helpful to you. If you have not subscribed, please click on that subscribe button, and once you subscribe, please turn on your post notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And also, please help me to like this video. It really encourages me and it helps the growth of the channel. Lastly, share this video to your family and friends so that you can help a lot of people out there. I hope this video is very helpful to you. I have come to end of today's video. If you have more questions for me, please feel free to leave your question in comment section below and I will answer your questions, okay? So guys, I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye. Mwah.